Okay, here's my video of my engine bay. Infiniti G20 1994 Bluebird SR20 DET engine. You can see new plug wires, Griffin radiator right there. This is a one-off radiator that they made for me. Nismo JDM radiator cap. Solid engine mounts. Stainless line goes into the factory fuel rail with JDM Nissan S15 fuel injectors that were purchased brand new from a dealership. Down there you will see Garrett GT28 RS dual ball bearing turbo. From there comes into custom intake that was made with HKS JDM filter, Z32 mass airflow that has not been fully wired as far as I know. Moving on, intercooler pipe right here, powder coated black. Turbo Smart blow off valve, which was purchased brand new also. Let's see, coming back, we have a strut tower bar, which is from a company called All U Tech. This is the only one that was brought to the US. Right there, inline fuel filter, it's Earl's. So as you can see, all the lines come here to a Venom fuel pressure regulator. This was taken from brand new also, but this was designed for a race car. So the fuel pressure, this needs to be replaced to be sent to a fuel pressure regulator like an Aeromotive or something that can actually go down to 40 or 42 psi for a street car. There you can see the fuel line as well. It's all -6. And that's about it for the engine bay. See if I can take you down to the front. You probably won't be able to see because it's pitch black down here. But front mount intercooler, it's perma-coated black, which lowers engine temps by about, or intake temps by like 20 degrees or something like that. It's a very expensive process to have done. Fits behind a factory bumper. And then probably underneath you probably won't be able to see anything either. What else? Transmission. The original transmission off of the car. However, I had it fully redone with new seals, bearings, everything. New gears as well. It's got brand new clutch flywheel pressure plate. I have the factory ones around here as well. Off the top of my head, I don't remember which. I think it's an ACT clutch and flywheel that's in there, or clutch and pressure plate, excuse me. And flywheel is a Lighten flywheel as well. Down there, you probably can't see it either, but it's got a full lightweight pulley system on it as well. All the pulleys are there. I had the factory pulleys around here as well. So there it is. Part one of many of this car.